Morning, folks. Welcome back to the ranch. It is the weekend before Thanksgiving. Oh, work's been stressful lately. Machine's broke, and I'm too dumb to know how to reprogram and figure out programming. I've already seen. I probably saw, 100 turkey just from the gate to here. Several deer, axis and whitetail. Daisy's running around marking everything she can possibly mark. She's probably peed 6 times just in the past 5 minutes, and I know she's pooped at least once. So, took the Honda back to town, got it kind of fixed up. It runs a little bit better. At least it runs. We'll say that. Changed out a fuel injector and filled it up with non-ethanol gas, and we'll see how it does. I also brought Advantech flooring for the porch, so I'm going to try to get that done today, and then maybe tomorrow we can start laying out wood for walls. Winter is certainly here. There's been frost on the ground or on my truck the past few mornings, and just in a week's time it's brown here. It went from green to brown. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with it. I'm enjoying the cooler weather. It'll sure be nice being up there in the sun in cooler weather than it will be in 110. For sure. I talked to a buddy at the gas station this morning, and he's the exact opposite. He'd rather it be 110. He doesn't like the cold. Well, it's not that I dislike either one, but one's certainly more comfortable than the other. Like right now, it's probably 60. Don't even really need this insulated shirt. I prefer this. Of course, if it was like this all the time, then everybody from California would move here. So, don't know what else to say. I'm gonna unload the Honda, and then I'm probably gonna put the shredder on the skid steer and shred around here a little bit, and then go shred up around one of the feeders that hasn't been shredded yet. And go. I left the forks, the forklift forks that go on this thing all the way up at the other hunter's camp, thinking that I was going to use it to unload tractor parts, and I haven't had a chance to go back and get any more tractor parts. So, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Y'all come along. Well, I mowed around here because I thought a friend was coming with his family to camp. Turns out something happened in town and they can't come. But I shredded up the right of way all the way up to the deer camp, about a half a mile away. Grabbed the forks that I'd left up there, put them on top of the shredder, shredded, mowed, whatever you want to call it, all the way back. I'm all dusty. Took my shirt off, my cap off, and dusted them off. Still dusty, but anyway, forgot to start the camera, but I loaded all the OSB flooring, whatever you want to call it, onto the skid steer. So I guess now I'm going to set it up there. I got to think about where I'm going to start, but anyway, I'm going to do that. So hang out. something I'm excited about is this. We'll see if it is worth the money. It's a cordless caulking gun. But I was talking to Tucky last night. He made me realize that aren't all caulk guns cordless. I told him he was a smart ass, but whatever. That's why we're friends, though. It said gun, so it's got to be fun. Oh, no, that's pretty cool. So when you run it in, it automatically retracts a little bit so that it won't keep oozing out the back end or the front end. That's pretty neat. And it has a light on the front. Important safety warnings. Before using the product, please follow below instructions. Keep work area clean and well lit. Cluttered or dark areas invite accidents. Invitation sent, I guess, is to use a dust mask. I don't understand that. It's not putting off any dust. Dress properly. Uh-oh. Use power tools only with proper AA dry batteries. I don't think that's right.
The next morning.
Morning, folks. Sorry, Tucky and Everett showed up this morning, and I just didn't get the camera out. Didn't think about it. It's been really windy, and we're already halfway down with the decking. So last night I got it all laid out. So as soon as they got here this morning, all we had to do was just start nailing and cutting, gluing, and nailing. But I'd say halfway. We're a little over a third of the way done. We are done to right there. This stuff I got to nail down. But anyway, it's really windy, and if I leave the camera on, y'all are just going to hear wind noise and a bunch of hammering. So probably just put you guys on a time lapse. But anyway, Everett's over there. He's been out walking around trying to shoot a turkey. I shot a turkey last night. Thanksgiving's coming up just in 4 days, 5 days, something like that. But anyway, Tucky and I have been up here working away. He's cutting boards to length while I'm nailing everything down. We're taking turns gluing. So that's it. I'm going to put you guys on time lapse because you don't want to listen to this wind because it's bad. Porch is done. And so are we. My back hurts, my knees hurt. Whew. It's a perfect day to be up here. But anyway, we got all this laid down. We went and had a sandwich. The wind is blowing, so you probably have a lot of wind noise. It was really bad this morning. We're gonna put a tarp down here, but I don't know if we're gonna do it today.
We?
Yeah. I don't know if it's gonna happen today. Let's say that. You gonna go try to shoot a turkey?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll be back.
All right. I'll be front.
I'll be middle.
But anyway, I think that's it for us today. I think we're all done. It's nice to have this up here. You guys got a lot of time lapse because the wind was so bad. I didn't figure you wanted to hear the wind noise, but anyway, I think we're gonna call it. We'll hang out for a little while longer. I think Everett and I are gonna try to sit and turkey hunt. I got one last night. Well, I already told you all that. Need turkey for Thanksgiving. So I probably won't see you until Thanksgiving's over. So y'all be thankful. All right. Love you. We'll see y'all next time.